Guys, welcome back to Reverse Engineering Season 2. We're sitting down with Miss Pam Dingman, your Lancaster County engineer. Today we're going to be talking about mastic sealing. Pam, can you walk us through that process, please?
Sure. So mastic sealant is what we use when we have a full depth asphalt separation that is more than an inch. So your gaps are pretty big on this. We're going to see a lot of this going on this spring if we don't get some rain pretty soon with all the shrinkage cracks that are going on in our ground. So similar to crack sealing, we route and we blow out the separation. Then we go ahead and mastic is really like a giant Band-Aid. It's a little different than just putting tar in that separation. And we go ahead and we slide that across, and we're really careful to get as much of it down in the separation as possible. It's very hot, and we have a machine that we take out to site to do this. And we do a lot of mastic sealant as well as crack sealing. What our end goal is to completely preserve this asphalt as long as we can. We don't want to get water down underneath the asphalt slab, because that's when we start having bigger asphalt failures. And so we're really just trying to get this asphalt to last as long as possible. We then have a heated wand that's kind of like a scraper if you were scraping the side of like a bowl of brownies or something. And we go ahead and run that through the opening in the asphalt. What we're trying to do is make sure that we have the best seal with that opening and the surface. We later go back over the top with a heated wand again to try to make sure that we have a really smooth top so that your ride isn't affected. And then we clean off our box and our wand, and we move on to the next one.
Pam, on the last video, we talked about laying some toilet paper down so our car would not be affected. How long does it take us to be able to drive through this?
And so what you're seeing in the video is we're spraying the surface of this with what's called D-Tac, and then you see the technician walk right over the top of it. This process of repairing asphalt with this method, it lasts for about 5 years, and then you will see it start to disintegrate and separate again, or maybe just get a little bumpy. In the meantime, though, it has extended the life of our asphalt slab by about 5 years.
Pam, thank you for all you do for all of us in the county. This has been another episode of Reverse Engineering with your Lancaster County engineer, Miss Pam Dingman.